Yelam Subhash Chandra, 29-year-old IRB personnel from Khajiri, Maninglekai, Ward Number 1, was found dead in his bed today while undergoing training at the Assam Police Training Center in Dargon. However, the cause of death remains unknown. Subhash Chandra, also known as Nauton, was the youngest son of Yelam Nimai Chand and Yelam Prema and was selected for the IRB in 2018. He has left behind his wife, Yelam Sandhyarani, aged 24, and their 2-month-old daughter. In a heart-wrenching statement, Yelam Prema, mother of the deceased, revealed that she had spoken to her son just yesterday and later learned about his death around 7 a.m. today. Prema expressed deep sorrow, stating that her son would not have died if he had received training in Pangai instead of Assam. She voiced her concerns about the future of her son's wife and daughter and appealed to the government for assistance in ensuring their survival.
Pangai training to Ramadine Chado Inganiaba Assam the training to Badai Chado Chibaneba. We not talk Chada Badai Ichado Lina Alira Mina Alira Gangare. What's up, big Puziga? Mind a finger? No, a big Mazazica miner. What are you all going to know?
Yelam Subhash Chandra's father, Yelam Nimai Chand, reported that his son has been feeling unwell for several days. He expressed dissatisfaction regarding the lack of pass-out from the training center, which prevented Subhash Chandra from receiving full medical treatment. Nimai Chand believes that if the training center had issued the pass-out, the family's concerns would have been alleviated. Meanwhile, Health Minister Sapam Ranjan visited Subhash Chandra's residence to extend condolences to the family and assured them of all possible assistance from the government.
Matangsi kara pende milwachine yadu aigi sase koksi e haiba tang amani tagi haibani aduga moina pass out pibi dabani hayeng puni are hundo puni mari da punen toraga ngarang taring mangaga taruka lona basida sibani masigi damukta ai pendaba yam laigre moigi training gi kanotu su niyom niti buti orambe ai adubu hujik lehoriba imong no piduga isu no pi masa duga kramai ngauni moi hingna na balam bel tu Manipur sarkar na adu yengsan biba pame.